In this video, I want to run you through how much I make in passive income as a student and teach you exactly the steps I did to get there. Now, I'm guessing if you're watching this video, you know what passive income is, but if you don't know what it is, it's basically just revenue systems that you set up and then you sit back while the money pours in. Now, it's not exactly that easy. You have to manage them and upkeep them. But in reality, this is income that just comes in every single month, whether you work or not. So let's put some of this in perspective. When did I start trying to make passive income? I started exactly a year ago. I said, you know what? I want to try online teaching. I see some, teachers are having a really good time doing this. I'm going to get involved with Udemy and Skillshare. So I started making courses. Within a year and a bit, I made over 25 courses on a whole bunch of different topics. It was a lot of testing. So my year got busy this year. I didn't really make many courses. When I'm out of school and I have less commitments in other areas, I'm going to start making more courses. Make it 50, 75, or even make less courses and just make them higher quality. So I've been going at it for about a year. And how much money am I making right now? Well, to put it in perspective, I make anywhere from, I'd say, $1,200 to about $2,200 or slightly over 2,000 US dollars a month in passive income, which translates into Canadian income is a lot more. That's more than a property is going to generate for you. So it's pretty decent. It completely pays off my rent. There are those months where the passive income isn't as much and I have to work a little bit harder doing more marketing gigs and signing more clients, but it's not my main source of income. This is an incredible buffer that gives me a huge sense of security because I continue to make passive income through a few different streams. Now I make that through Udemy, which is an online teaching platform, and through Skillshare. So my courses are picking up royalties. I'm actually getting some money from my book on Amazon about starting your own marketing agency. It's not too much. It's only about 60, 70 bucks a month. And most of that's coming through people reading my book on Kindle. So I don't want to get into the whole mouthful. I actually want to teach you how I set these streams up and walk you through it so you can do the same thing. So if you want to get started, what I recommend you do is just head on over to udemy.com. What you want to do is make an account, log in, and start teaching right away. All you have to do is lay out your curriculum, record the videos. Your sound quality doesn't need to be very great, but it needs to be good. It has to be at least the standard. So you don't want fuzzy audio. You want to be able to speak to a camera, sort of like I am right now. So I can explain anything to you. I can teach you digital marketing tips, like how many times you should post on Twitter every day. Or I can teach you about, anything really. So what you want to do is learn how to speak to a camera and start doing different topics. A great way before you delve into online teaching is to learn how to make videos. Start a YouTube channel and make your first 10 to 20 educational videos. Once you get good at that, you can easily build an online teaching account, and within the first month, I'd say if you're average, you could probably make anywhere from 20 to 100 US dollars in your first month. Now this is something that snowballs. You build a student list, an email list, and when you market to them, you can easily make more money. So that's what I recommend for you to do. Easily going online, you're going to be able to build more income, build more revenue, and you're going to be set. Now what about Skillshare? Basically, Skillshare is another online teaching platform. I've spoken about this in a couple of videos. Again, make an account, put your courses on there. You're not going to make as much selling courses on Skillshare because the marketplace just isn't as big. But one thing that's going to help you make more money is if you have a YouTube account or you have someone with friends or followers, or you have another traffic source. You can plug affiliate links in your videos. For example, if you go down below, hit that link in the description right now for Skillshare. You can get 2 months free on me, and I'm going to get $10 if you subscribe, put your credit info in, and get 2 months free. So I can make money as an affiliate, and that's one thing that generates income for me as well. And so this is all passive income. So anything I make, marketing is gravy on top. So this is how much I make. This is what I'm trying to do. I have to keep working really hard to build it. But this is what I'm doing right now, and I'm finding it extremely helpful and productive to my goals. So that is how much I'm making in passive income. That is what I'm doing to scale it. That's how I'm moving forward to build my business and using it as a real great buffer and a cushion. Now I want to take it more seriously as I move along, and if you're in the same path and you want to start creating passive income as a student, I'm kind of at the end of the student phase, but you can start right now. I just started last year. So if you start right now, you're going to have that consistent help every month. I promise I'll help you. Subscribe, smash that notification bell, and thank you for watching.